Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn how to connect your printer to your computer. Whether you just bought a new printer, you're setting one up for the first time, or you're switching to a different computer, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. We'll cover both wired and wireless connections for Windows and Mac, and I'll include some troubleshooting tips in case anything goes wrong. Let's get started. Before we start, there are two main ways to connect the printer to your computer. The first is using a USB cable, which is the simplest and most reliable method. You just plug it in and you're done. The second is wirelessly over Wi-Fi, which means no cables and you can print from anywhere in your home or office. Both methods are easy, so pick whichever works best for your setup. Let's start with the USB method since it's the easiest. First, make sure your printer is turned off. Take the USB cable that came with your printer. It's usually a USB-A to USB-B cable, where one end is rectangular and plugs into your computer, and the other end is squarish and plugs into the printer. Connect one end to your printer and the other end to an available USB port on your computer. Now turn on your printer. In most cases, Windows or Mac will automatically detect the printer and install the necessary drivers within a few seconds. You'll see a notification on your screen saying a new printer has been connected. That's it. Your printer is ready to use. If it doesn't install automatically, don't worry. I'll show you how to add it manually in just a second. Now let's cover the wireless method, which is a bit more involved but still pretty easy. First, make sure your printer has Wi-Fi capability. Most modern printers do. Turn on your printer and look for a button or menu option that says Wi-Fi, wireless, or network setup. This is usually on the printer's control panel or touchscreen. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your printer to your Wi-Fi network. You'll need to select your network name and enter your Wi-Fi password using the printer's buttons or touchscreen. Once the printer is connected to Wi-Fi, you'll usually see a Wi-Fi icon or a confirmation message on the printer's display. Now your printer is on your network and ready to be added to your computer. For Mac users, the process is very similar. Click the Apple menu in the top left corner and open System Settings. Then go to Printers and Scanners. If your printer is already connected, it might show up automatically in the list on the left. If it does, you're all set. If it doesn't, click the plus button at the bottom of the printer list to add a new printer. Your Mac will search for available printers on your network or connected via USB. Once your printer appears, click on it and then click Add. macOS will automatically download and install any necessary drivers. Many newer printers also support AirPrint on Mac, which means they connect seamlessly without any setup at all. As long as both the Mac and printer are on the same Wi-Fi network, they'll find each other automatically. Now, if your printer isn't showing up or isn't working properly, here are some quick fixes. First, make sure your printer is turned on, and if you're using a USB cable, make sure it's firmly connected on both ends. For wireless printers, confirm that both your printer and your computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is the most common mistake people make. If your printer still isn't appearing, try restarting both your printer and your computer. Sometimes a simple restart fixes everything. If you're still having issues, you might need to manually download and install the printer driver from the manufacturer's website. Just search for your printer model on their support page, download the latest driver for your operating system, and install it. Finally, if your printer is showing as offline, even though it's connected, go to your printer settings, right-click on the printer, and make sure Use Printer Offline is unchecked. And that's how you connect the printer to your computer. Use a USB cable for the simplest plug-and-play connection, or go wireless over Wi-Fi for more flexibility. Windows and Mac both make it pretty easy with automatic detection and driver installation. And if you run into any problems, just follow those troubleshooting steps. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what printer you're using. See you in the next one.